Hello everyone, today we'll be installing an HKS drop-in air filter in our 2023 BRZ. The HKS Super Filter is a new design by HKS that utilizes a single-layer dry polyester fabric. Compared to the stock paper filter, the HKS is much more free-flowing and should give a small boost in horsepower. Unlike a K&N drop-in filter, the HKS is a dry filter, so there's no risk of oil interfering with the mass airflow sensor. However, it's not washable and HKS recommends replacing it every 6,400 miles or 12 months. The filter is made in Japan and the build quality is excellent. The package also comes with an HKS sticker to put on your airbox. Installing the filter is super easy. Undo the two latches on the airbox and remove the stock filter. Here you can see a comparison of the stock paper filter and the HKS. Next, pop the HKS filter into the airbox and make sure the box is lined up correctly and sealed on all the edges. Latch it back together and you're done. As you heard in the sound clips, there's not much difference in the induction sound between the stock filter and the HKS, but the throttle response is improved and the engine seems to breathe a bit better, especially at the top of the rev range. Overall, for less than $30, it's a cheap and easy mod to get a little bit more performance out of your BRZ or GR86. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more BRZ content.